Good morning, happy people. Welcome back to my class. I've really missed seeing you, and I think as painful as it may feel right now, it's going to be good for all of us to get back into a daily routine, especially if you haven't had one the last couple of weeks. So, classes start today, and I don't want anyone to be anxious. Here's my quote of the day. Anxiety happens when you think you have to figure everything out all at once. Breathe. You breathe, I'll breathe, and we'll take it day by day. So I'll be here for you in your Chromebook, and I'll teach you while you're at your house or in your yard or wherever you are. We're going to get lessons up and going this week. So, White Snake isn't going to help us learn, but hopefully they'll keep us hopping along at a decent pace today, and maybe they'll keep us tapping our fingers throughout the week. I'll do my very best to incorporate music, videos, memes into my lessons to help them be more creative and engaging. And we'll also have our traditional assignments like we've had in Google Classroom, and we'll use online websites and other new items like instructional videos from the Khan Academy, etc. The main point today, I guess, is that I don't want you to worry or feel anxious. We'll be learning, we'll be communicating, and we're going to fall into some new routines. So you have to promise me no panicking today over grades, no panicking today over lessons. Save that for tomorrow. Just kidding. No panicking at all. We're going to do this, and it's going to be fine. My lessons will be posted on Mondays and Wednesdays with the expectation that the work will be finished by 10 p.m. on Wednesday night. This way I can process your work and have feedback to you by Friday morning. If you have any questions, I'm available Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. through email. So let's get back to the swing of things. And it's nice to see you, even though it's figurative and not literal. And we're going to get going.